Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing the Witch's Bounty box from July 2021. I am late, but as I've said in every video so far, life has happened. I'll give you guys an update in a live that I'm planning to do soon, and we'll probably talk about it over my witchy yard sale, which is coming up this weekend, August 28th, 29th, and 30th. So just stay tuned for that information. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own, so let's check it out. Remover of obstacles, yes! Ganesha, woo, so pretty. Okay, we've got our black cord here. The box smells just absolutely marvelous. We've got this beautiful light blue candle. We've got an oil here. Ganesha. Smell good, yeah. Clearing incense, yes. All the clearing. Clear that crap out of your house. It's coming up, guys. Fall cleaning is important times. Clear that crap out of your house before you close up and huddle down for the winter. This is really pretty. I don't recognize it though, but I'm excited to have something I don't have. Yes. Oh my god! Wow! Look at him, he's so pretty! Wow. I don't think I'm gonna wear this. I think I'm gonna hang this somewhere, like, as a protective item. Let's read about this, guys. This is just phenomenal. As we continue our path of growth, death, and rebirth, we are always looking for inspiration and wisdom from gods and goddesses. Through bountiful altars and offerings to deep study and ritual, we call upon these patrons for their deep understanding and intuition. These insights become so deeply connected and intertwined with the perceptions we continually peer through. As seekers of knowledge, we find ourselves calling upon the guidance of specific deities for different challenges that we may face. It is within this constant journey for wisdom that we find the most prominent and powerful insights. In this special collection, we work with a very sacred deity to assist us in clearing and removing obstacles. Carved quartz Ganesha with blue topaz pendant. Ganesha is said to be one of the most well-known and worshipped deities in the Hindu pantheon, continuing to hold many devotees and adorers to this day. His earliest mention is 3000 BCE, since the time of the Indus Valley civilization. Remover of obstacles. He not only clears the path before you, but to protect and bring prosperity. We urge you to continue your research and study Ganesha, as he carries with him an amazing history filled with wonderful stories and deep mysticism. The quartz in this very special pendant has been hand carved into the form of Ganesha and sits within a filigree candle. We chose quartz for this pendant for its overwhelming ability to bring light and spiritual awareness into your surroundings. It's also one of the most programmable and versatile stones. We place our intentions within this vibrant and pure energy center. Quartz is known for its ability to bring clarity to any situation, giving us time to think through situations and determine which actions are the most beneficial. Blue topaz is a wonderful and direct stimulator of the mind and has been referred to as carrying fire of the mind within its energies. A very thoughtful stone, it urges us to seek more knowledge from everything around us. Constantly reevaluate our current situation, urging us to always look for the best way to perform tasks and approach challenging. Then there's the Ganesha Magical Oil. Breaking down any barriers that stand in your way. Take the time to be aware of your surroundings and situations. Use this magical anointing oil to guide you towards the best decisions and most beneficial options. We have enchanted this oil with bergamot, jasmine, ylang-ylang, and vanilla, as well as olive and ground sage herbs. With some magic oils from their personal cabinet of witchery as well, and a Lemurian mini quartz. Clearing ritual incense sticks, yes. New Beginning spell candles. Very cool. Resetting your inner compass. And a Fuchsite Kyanite. Very, very cool. Carry the stone with you throughout your day or place it upon your altar to benefit from its wonderful ability to release any blockages you may have. And then the Ganesha Book of Shadow artwork. Absolutely phenomenal. This box is always a gem. Just wonderful. I've gotten some amazing, amazing things in this box, and I'm so, so grateful. I've been not recently, I started when I was a kid, like when I was 14, with yoga as well, but I've been recently able to take classes. I mean, I've missed the last 3 weeks because I was traveling, and then of course the pandemic has surged here, so I've been working and working, but I hope to get back to it very soon. And I hope to be able to practice more in my own home, because you can do a sun salutation anywhere, let's be real. But just, elephants are one of my favorite animals. It's just really nice. It's nice to learn something new. I love it. And I cannot recommend this box to you I cannot recommend it highly enough. Witch's Moon Company knows their shit. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.